segment of Cargo Forwarder Global, talking to Jan Krems. He's Managing Director of United Airlines Cargo. Jan, how's the situation on the North Atlantic? I think you experience quite some headwind.
No, I think that the situation is tough. I mean, we all know what's happening today with the capacity, with overcapacity. I mean, I think there's 6-7% increase in wide-body capacity again this year over last year, where we already saw a big growth. I don't have an issue with the tonnage at the moment. I still think the tonnage is okay. Even if I compare, let's say, April, May, also looking at June, that's better than last year. The first 3 months with the port strike of last year, there you see a difference. But on the tonnage, and we call it cargo ton miles, we do better than last year, but it's the yield that of course is much lower and that's hurting. But I think it's good that we are in the market. We are very proactive in front of our customers. I think that's the only way we can do. I think you have to even be more proactive and more close to your customers, because that's the only way where you can get the business. So our market share is improving. We do well there. It's only the yields that are really hurting us. And it's tough. But I mean, if you look at the tonnage, if you compare that to last year, we are okay. But the revenues are not where they should be.
Talking about the other two key markets, the Trans-Pacific flights, Transpac, and also Latin America. How are they doing?
Latin America is tough. I mean, that's really. I mean, it's up and down. Is the berry season there? Is the perishable season? Is the fish season there? What is the weather doing? I mean, also there you see a lot of capacity moving in. But Latin America, it's for us stable, but it's also not the biggest market. If we look at APEC, for example, being here at Air Cargo China, I'm more positive than when I came in. But again, their tonnage is enough. You also see, because the fuel is going up, a lot of these freighters that came out of the mothballs or out of the desert, they are back in there, or at least part is going back in there, because it's just too expensive to fly. So that gives a bit more business towards the belly carriers. Also looking ahead, talking to some customers here today, I see some positive trends. I even think there will be a quarter end, let's say, from September onwards. I'm not that negative. But again, it's tonnage. If I also look at the yields in APEC compared to last year, they're far down. But again, tonnage-wise, I'm not that negative.
Look at a bit ahead, which you just did. Do you think there's going to be a peak season that's going to sort of rescue this industry this year?
No, for sure it will not rescue the industry, but especially in China, where I was very negative a couple of months ago, and still if I look at the yields, but if I look at the load factors at the moment, ex-China for United, and also look at the amount of flights. We have 96 flights a week out of China, and even if we ever start flying the second Shanghai, San Francisco, we will go to 103 flights a week. But if I look at what we have today, Hangzhou we started with Xi'an started. That's good, especially ex-China. So I'm not that negative again about the tonnage, but again, it's the yield, the rates. It's a bloodbath, as we call it.
So you're optimistic. We cross our fingers that everything happens that way. Jan, thanks for your time, and good trip to Tokyo, because you're flying from here from the Transport Logistics in Shanghai right away to Tokyo today, yeah?
I'm going to Tokyo, where we have our partnership with ANA, where we have a press conference, and we will have a customer event there on Thursday and Thursday night. So that's where we're heading on today. And also in Tokyo, market also very tough, but let's say with a partnership, we really try to make 1 and 1 more than 2. So that's what we try to do, moving onwards to Japan today.
Thanks again for your time, and of course the insights you delivered. Thanks a lot, Jan. Okay, thank you.
Support. Very good.
Thank you.